Hello everyone, my name is Dan Costa, the CEO of 511 Tactical, and I'd like to say thank you to all the folks out there that have shown tremendous support for the 9/11 tribute that we have put in place here at 511. This logo was created by 3 officers that came to a product development meeting here in Modesto last summer, and the support's been overwhelming for the whole program. We have sent out over 1,500 of these stickers all over the world, and what we've just noticed is that some of the departments are sending us pictures of the sticker placed on their cruisers or somewhere in the department, and they've sent us their patches from their department. So we've gotten so excited about this. So what we'd like to do on 9/11 here at the 511 corporate office is create a kind of a commemorative memorial for the 9/11 attacks that happened 10 years ago on that day. And we're going to take all the patches that we receive in the mail, and we're going to create this memorial with the patches. So to be a part of this memorial, just go to 511tactical.com/9/11 tribute, and then please send us your patches from your department. The more the merrier. We would like to make this a huge tribute to the 10-year anniversary of the 9/11 attacks. And again, I would like to thank all of you for all the support that you've shown this program and all the support that you always show 511. Thank you very much for your friendship, and thanks for what you do out there for us and the country. Take care.